This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. To start, launch the control panel, then find the icon that says nearby share, touch and hold at it. Once at the nearby share page, you can activate it by, toggling on this switch. From here you can rename your device if necessary. You can make your phone visible or invisible for others, as well as restrict your device visibility to either your devices, your contacts, or to, not restrict it at all, and make it accessible and available for anybody who is in range of the nearby share function. And finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and from here you're all set and ready to use it. So now let me quickly test this feature out. So I happen to have another phone on me right now, so I'll just go ahead and try sending the screenshot, let's say. So share, nearby share. So already here it is. Alrighty, so this phone for some reason freezes once I'm trying to use the nearby share. Okay, this time it went through. So here is my Samsung. Okay, not this one. So once again, here is, please let me use the nearby share, thank you. So here is my Samsung, as I was saying. So tap on it, then accept the file transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to get sent and received, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.